How to see and hide your friends' liked reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account over here. So simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you tap on the profile icon, simply select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now, if you want to see your friends' liked reels on Instagram, you can simply scroll down and tap on Activity in Friends tab option. So tap on it, and what you can do is simply select on followers you follow back, on who you can see your likes and comments on reels in the Friends tab. Next, go back, and if you want to see any of those friends liked reels on Instagram, simply tap on the Reels section, and here you can see the Friends section. So you can see, you can just tap on it and you can see all the likes, all the reels that I have liked on Instagram right over here. And if you want to hide it, simply tap on your profile again, tap on the hamburger icon, and then simply scroll down to tap on the option of Activity in Friends tab and tap on No One. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.